Welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel, where we help you keep a pulse on your health and wellness. Today, we are going to discuss the topic of lavender oil for sleeping. Do you struggle with falling asleep or staying asleep throughout the night? If so, you're not alone. Millions of people suffer from insomnia and other sleep disorders. But what if we told you that there's a natural remedy that could help you get a good night's sleep? Well, it's true. In this episode, we're going to talk about how lavender oil can improve your sleep and help you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. Now, let's get started with today's video on using lavender oil for better sleep. Lavender is one of the most popular essential oils for promoting relaxation and sleep. It has been used for centuries for its calming and soothing effects on the mind and body. Lavender oil is rich in natural compounds such as linalool and linalool acetate, which are believed to be responsible for its calming and relaxing effects. These compounds have a soothing effect on the nervous system and can help reduce stress and anxiety levels. When inhaled, they interact with the brain's limbic system, which is responsible for regulating emotions and stress response. Studies have shown that using lavender oil before bed can have a significant impact on sleep quality. People who use lavender oil before bed reported improved sleep quality, reduced time to fall asleep, and increased total sleep time. For instance, a study conducted in 2010 found that when people inhaled lavender oil before bed, they experienced a significant improvement in sleep quality, reduced time to fall asleep, and increased total sleep time compared to a control group. In another study, people who applied lavender oil to their pillow before bed reported sleeping more soundly and having fewer sleep disturbances compared to those who didn't use lavender oil. This suggests that lavender oil can not only help you fall asleep faster but also improve the overall quality of your sleep, leaving you feeling more refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. These findings highlight the potential benefits of lavender oil for sleep and suggest that incorporating it into your bedtime routine could be a simple and effective way to improve the quality of your sleep. In addition to its sleep-promoting benefits, lavender oil has many other health benefits as well. It has antiseptic, anti-inflammatory, and pain-relieving properties that can be used to treat various ailments such as headaches, muscle pain, and digestive issues. There are several ways to use lavender oil for sleep. You can add a few drops to your diffuser, apply it directly to your pillow, or add it to your bath before bedtime. It's important to remember that lavender oil should never be ingested, as it can be toxic in large quantities. So now, let's talk about how to get the most out of lavender oil for sleeping. To get the most out of lavender oil for sleeping, there are a few tips that you can follow. Number 1. Use a high-quality oil. When shopping for lavender oil, look for a high-quality oil that is pure and free of added ingredients or synthetic fragrances. A high-quality oil will have a stronger aroma and will be more effective in promoting feelings of peace and tranquility. Number 2. Inhale the scent. Inhaling the scent of lavender oil is one of the most effective ways to experience its calming and relaxing effects. You can do this by adding a few drops of oil to a diffuser, or by putting a few drops on a cloth or tissue and inhaling deeply. Number 3. Apply to your pillow or sheets. Applying a few drops of lavender oil to your pillow or sheets before bed can also be beneficial. The aroma will help you relax and unwind as you fall asleep, and the oil may also help to improve the quality of your sleep. Number 4. Incorporate into your bedtime routine. Incorporating lavender oil into your bedtime routine can help to reinforce the connection between the oil and sleep, making it easier to fall asleep and stay asleep. For example, you could start by inhaling the scent of lavender oil for a few minutes each night before bed, or by applying it to your pillow or sheets. Number 5. Use in combination with other sleep-promoting practices. Lavender oil is most effective when used in combination with other sleep-promoting practices, such as practicing good sleep hygiene, reducing exposure to screens before bed, and limiting caffeine and alcohol consumption. Here are a few more tips to help you maximize the benefits of lavender oil for sleeping. 1. Experiment with different ways of using the oil. There are many different ways to use lavender oil, including diffusing it, applying it to your skin, or adding it to your bath. Experiment with different methods to see what works best for you. 2. Use with other essential oils. Lavender oil can be combined with other essential oils, such as chamomile or valerian, to enhance its sleep-promoting effects. Just be sure to dilute the oils properly before use, and always do a patch test to ensure that you're not allergic to any of the oils. 3. Use regularly. For best results, use lavender oil regularly as part of your bedtime routine. Over time, this can help to reinforce the connection between the oil and sleep, making it easier for you to fall asleep and stay asleep. 4. Consider using a pillow spray. You can make a pillow spray by adding a few drops of lavender oil to water in a spray bottle. Spray the mixture on your pillow before bed to enjoy the calming and relaxing aroma as you sleep. 5. Avoid using too much oil. While lavender oil is generally safe, it's important to avoid using too much. A little goes a long way, so start with a small amount and adjust as needed. In conclusion, lavender oil is an effective natural remedy for promoting relaxation and sleep. It has been used for centuries to help people fall asleep and stay asleep throughout the night. Whether you struggle with insomnia or just have trouble falling asleep, incorporating lavender oil into your bedtime routine can help improve your sleep quality and leave you feeling refreshed and rejuvenated. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.